Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about social media. Many people are asking us on whether they can post the same content on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. When you talk about content on social media per se, you can actually post the same kind of content, but of course you need to customize the content to the social media platform that you're using. For instance, let's say you want to promote a video and this video has got to go on Facebook, Instagram Stories, Instagram TV and Twitter. Well, it's much better to upload the video on the platform natively, so not just use a reshare function, but at the same time you might need to edit the video to be vertical for Instagram, particularly for Instagram TV, and to maybe be rectangular for Facebook, so they both look good in the platform you are publishing them on. It is very important to do that in order to maximize the return you are getting from the videos that you published. It is also very important to use the different platforms to create sneak peeks of the videos and stimulate people to watch them. For instance, let's say you have an Instagram TV content of 10 minutes, you can create a 20-second sneak peek for your Instagram story and then drive people to the watch page on Instagram TV. So all in all, you can post the same content, but post it natively, do not reshare it, and customize the content so the format looks the best way possible on each platform.